Oh my goodness.
And
Try to
I
catch it
saw a little
so we
fish
can eat
like
it
this
tonight.
big. Swim away. Like this big.
A little fishy. Yeah?
There's a
There's fish?
I do like fishies.
Well, just move your leg and they'll swim away.
Yeah.
Like that.
Like this. What? I like baby fish. I only like big. I get my fishies that don't. I like piranhas. Piranhas don't bite us. They can eat the ball.
Uh-oh.
That's it? You got a
Mommy,
bite?
do you like piranhas? I actually like sharks. Mom, is it okay if I put my whole head under?
Yeah, go for it.
Kai, do you want to put your head under? I don't know how.
Anything's in here, you're dead now.
Mommy, you ever Hey, Lucy,
Yeah.
do you know what piranhas are?
Piranhas are
They're-
fish with
I know how
teeth
to.
and
I know how.
they live in
They're
the
little.
Amazon.
They're fish. They're kind of big, almost as big as sharks, except they're like this big, and they have fins like sharks, and they have a tail like shark, but they have sharper teeth. They have like big teeth. I'm never kind of shark. They're almost as big as our thumb.
It's pretty big.
Can I smell this? So if you take your head,
Yeah,
like
you can take them off.
you put your head like that. Mommy, I don't want
It
will make it better. Wet.
Okay.
Want to sit in it? Well, it'll be fun.
Go back in the water and take off all the little rocks around. Slowly but surely, okay?
Dude.
Let's go.
Should I do it on her own?
Mom, is it okay if we go all the way over?
No.
I don't know. Let's find out what those spiders.
What
Yeah.
butters?
Like that, those big ones.
If we have,
That big one we saw, the dead one.
I don't know what's back there.
It's too like.
We'll just stay in this area. It looks really clear. So we'll just stay here for a bit.
Cute.
We're stepping in.
Yeah.
Here, can you guys say hi? Look at California kids playing in the creek for the first time.
Yeah.